What is my fit for this video? Yes, for this video I'm gonna wear white Guess shirt, Perry Ellis straight pants. This is my white fit, and then got a white leather jacket. Shoes, I wear these soy clock shoes. But I'm not gonna put them on because this is my room, and I think I'm gonna take this jacket off because it's hot in here. So I'm gonna wear this for the video. So there's a different second parts. Second part is I do my hair. How I do my hair. Hair sheen. Oh, it's backward because it's facing me, but it's a hair sheen is that. So here is after the shower. My hair get dry, so I spray a little bit of this. Keep the shine on the hair. Don't comb too much because it's just okay. And then I have to use this because I'm going to put the oil on. I'm looking at the hair. So a couple of drops of this onto my hair. Just put it where you need the hair to grow. Don't put it everywhere because I need to grow everywhere. So here. So this is my routine. It's my daily routine. Just some drop of rosemary oil. Rosemary oil. This is my hair growth replacement. It's just oil instead of the minoxidil or whatever you put, but I just use oil remedy. So that's it for my hair routine. You can see that's all for my hair routine. Okay, closer look. The hair really shiny. I don't use hairspray. I use the hair sheen to only use the hair sheen to moisturize my hair, condition my hair. This for hair conditioner. I don't use hairspray. And I use some rosemary oil for strengthening hair and scalp. I can't find the castor oil, so I use rosemary. I think it's the same. Okay, so this will be my fit for the video. Stand up again. I'm not gonna wear a jacket because I'm sitting inside my room. And then I'm gonna make unboxing video, but I'm gonna cut this video off, and you can join me next for my unboxing video of my new phone. Okay.